Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at combination, elimination, graphing, and substitution. Now, we've already done each of these individually. We've even done a number in class where we've worked on the same problem all three different ways. So again, we're going to do all three methods one more time. We're going to try to do this in a little bit more interactive way. Hopefully it'll help some of you solidify your knowledge. So what we're going to do is let's start with elimination combination. Same problem, but we're going to do elimination combination. Now, the first thing we want to do is what in elimination combination? Okay, so we're going to want to get rid of one of these variables. Now, if I just add them up the way they are now, will I eliminate any of the potential variables? No, not at all. So I have 3x plus 12y equals 3. The problem here is I can't solve for either x or y because I have too many variables. So this is not going to work. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to do something to one or the other of these two equations to get something to go away. Does it matter whether I choose to get rid of x or whether I choose to get rid of y? No, it doesn't. I'm going to choose to get rid of x. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by -2. And the reason I want to do -2 is so that the positive 2x and the negative 2x will cancel each other out. So here, this one stays exactly the same. This one now looks like this. Now when I add them together, will something go away? Absolutely. These two go away, leaving -3y equals -3. So y therefore equals 1. Now, what do I do at this point? Once I have eliminated one of the variables, what do I do next? That's right, we're going to put it back into one of the other two equations. Does it matter which of these two equations I use? No, it doesn't. I'm going to choose the top one. 2x plus 7 parenthesis equals 1, and I substitute 1 in for y. At this point, my next step would be subtract 7. 2x equals -6, and I finish doing the divisions. X equals -3. Once I have these two, there's only one more thing I need to do, and that is put the answers in a ordered pair. So there we go. Real quick revision. We try to get something to cancel out. If nothing cancels out, we try to multiply both sides by something so something will cancel out. Once I've done that, then I can put them together, get rid of one of the variables, and find one of the variables, so y equals 1. Take either one of these two equations, plug it in, and solve again. All right, on to the next method.